In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican bowl dish at home. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's that time again, and we're about to make a Mexican dish, a bowl that you and your family can enjoy. It's quick and easy. You ready to get started? Let's go. Okay, so we're going to make a quick, fun meal for the weekend. As you see, I have some Tostitos, cheese, okay, and that is made with real cheese. And I got the medium. I also got the salsa, the paste salsa, okay. I have, I use ground turkey, so I have the Genio ground turkey, and I got all this from Sam's Club. Of course, if you know me, that's where I shop. And then I have the Tostitos scoops. So I'm going to make like a Nacho Bel Grande. So with that, I'm going to have some onions, of course, some lettuce or spinach, whatever you choose. You can use lettuce, spring mix, onions, green peppers, green onions, yellow onions. I'm going to put some rice and some corn, make a little bowl. So just something quick to eat. I'm going to also show you how to meal prep, because this is a, what pound is this? This is a 2.5 pound. So I'm going to make some Nacho Bel Grandes, and then I'm going to also make some cheeseburgers, you know, so prepare for your lunch for the week. You know, if you take your lunch, you know, now, and you can meal prep for the week. So you can have Nacho Bel Grande, you can have cheeseburgers, you know, for lunch for next week. So let's get started. Okay, as you see, I am browning the ground turkey. So we're just going to get that brown for the nachos. And I am boiling the water for the rice. And I just added some Tone's garlic salt to it. And we're going to let this brown and get it started. We're also going to preheat the oven to 350 for the cheeseburgers, because remember, we're also doing meal prep for lunch for next week for work. So see, you can have Nacho Bel Grandes, you can have cheeseburgers, you can have sloppy joe. I mean, whatever you like or whatever. However, I'm just going to show you how I meal prep for the week so that I don't have to cook every single day. And you can have different things using this one thing. So hope this helps, and I hope you guys like it. So I'm just browning the turkey. I'm going to brown it all the way through, drain it, and cook the rice and the corn, and then we're going to go from there. Okay, so we have the ground turkey browning. So what we're going to do now is just add the salsa to it. So let me just let you take a look at it. The turkey, it's brown, right? So we're just going to add the salsa. Not really measuring, just going by eye. Now you fix it how you choose to, but you know, I can kind of gauge it. So we're just going to mix that just a little, because we can also, you know, put the toppings on there. So this is how it's looking. And we're just going to let that simmer on low for a little bit. I have the rice cooking. And by the way, I'm using jasmine rice. And I'm going to put the corn on in a minute. And then we're going to go over to the cheeseburgers and get that started. The oven is I always bake mine, so I already have the oven preheated to 350, as you see. So I'm gonna just let this simmer. Oh, and the salsa is the chunky salsa medium. So just add a little bit of that in there. Get it started. Let it simmer a little bit. And then we're just gonna wait. Pretty much this is done. See how quick and fast that was? All we gotta do is just add the chips, rice, salsa, and cheese. And your fun weekend meal is complete. So we'll be back in one moment with, we're gonna do the turkey cheeseburgers. Okay, so now we are about to season the ground turkey. And what I'm going to season the ground turkey for the cheeseburgers is Tone's garlic salt. And I'm going to use a little steak sauce. It's optional. You don't have to use it. You can just, use the seasonings of your choice. So I'm going to start with the garlic salt, and we're just going to prep it. And I also do something else different as well. I put the steak sauce in here, and I also put the cheese inside of my burger as well. So I'll use like shredded cheese. You can put it, or feta. I don't have any feta cheese, so I'm just going to use the shredded cheese right now. So what I'm going to do is add the cheese and then add the steak sauce. And then we're going to put it in the oven to bake. Okay, so now I have just the shredded cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese. And it's finely chopped. So I'm just going to add a little bit in there. Let you see. Okay. And then we're just going to add a little bit of the steak sauce. And we're just going to pour just a little bit, just drizzle it just a little, as you see. Okay. Then we're just going to combine that. And I like this. This is, don't know if you ever seen this. This is a hamburger presser. So you roll your ground turkey. I use ground turkey or ground beef, whichever you use. Put it in a ball, put it there. Press this down. It makes the perfect cheeseburger or hamburger. Okay, so I'm gonna get this mixed together. I'm gonna get the pan for the oven for the cheeseburger, and we're gonna be prepared for lunch for next week. So we're just gonna stir this in and around. Make sure that the seasonings get in every area of the ground turkey. Now, putting the cheese in is optional. You don't have to do that, but I like doing that, But if you haven't tried it, you should try it. Okay? All right, so you see it's well mixed together. And what I'm going to do is just take a little, like a little spoonful like this, right? Going to move this over. We're going to put that right there. Get another little scoop. Spoonful like that. Put that right there. You may need a little more, but you don't want it to be too full where it'll spill over, because it will. And then what you do, just want to make sure I get it just so. Again, this is optional, but I like this because it turns out the burger's really, really good. And so you just press this down. Okay, like so. And then you ease it up. And this is what your burger is looking like. You guys need to get this. I got this years ago at Aldi, and I really don't shop at Aldi, but I just happened to be looking at one of the sales papers, and this is called a hamburger press. So you might be able to find it on Amazon or Walmart, or you might be able to find it at Aldi's. So yeah, I'm gonna get the pan so that I can put these on, and then we're gonna get them in the oven. Okay, so I pressed out all the burgers, the turkey cheeseburgers, and this is what it's looking like right here. And then we're going to put these into the oven for about 15-20 minutes. And then your lunch will be ready for next week. So we're going to put these in the oven. Okay, so I've placed the turkey burgers in the oven. The oven has been preheating at 350 degrees. So we're going to cook it for about 15-20 minutes. And it will be done and you will see the outcome. Now, again, I just put the turkey burger, the cheese, some steak sauce, because sometimes ground turkey is just a little dry. So you just add a little sauce to it, a little flavor, but you add what you choose. That's what I do just to give it a little kick to it. So yeah, so you've made nacho bel grande with your salsa, rice and corn and cheese and taco chips, and you will see it all at the end. Okay. Okay, so we're about to plate our dinner. So we're going to be using the Tostito scoops, and we're just going to put it in this little salt plate here. The smaller the plate, less the calories. Now, this may not be the healthiest meal, but hey, it's good fun and good eating and family friendly and easy to do. So we're just going to plate it around like this. And then I'm going to show you a secret, what I do with my rice just to make my plate look pretty. And you can do the same thing because I'm sure you have it around the house. This is what the chefs do when you go to those real expensive restaurants and they come out with the plates looking so pretty. So as you see, I just have the chips, the scoops in the plate here. And we're just going to add the ground beef, the rice, and the corn. Did I say ground beef? I meant ground turkey because we was cooking with ground turkey. So what I'm going to do is just put this around here. Just like so. And then I'm going to get the rice and I'm going to show you the trick with the rice. Then the ground turkey looks good with the salsa. Okay, let's get this rice. Okay, so as you see, oh, yikes. Here's the rice, the jasmine rice that I cooked. So to make this presentation look really, really good, what you're going to do is just scoop the rice. And I have a little measuring cup here. It's like 1 cup. And you put the rice in here. And you kind of pack it down a little, right? Let me just show you. This is what the chefs do. So when you go to a really, really nice restaurant and they have the rice or the quinoa, because now if you don't eat rice, you don't want a lot of starch, then you can also use quinoa. So what you're going to do is just kind of press it down just a little bit, right? Press it down just a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to sit it right here. Let's just move this out. And then we're just going to ease up. Voila! Isn't that pretty? So say if you had like a special date or, you're having a gathering, whenever we can do that again. you can do that. So let me just show you how that looks. Looks really good, right? Okay. And so now, if you want to add more meat, you can. So we're just going to add the corn, and we're going to add the salsa, the onions, and some parsley flakes, and a little bit more salsa. So if you just want to put it around, put the corn around. I'm just spreading the corn around. There you go. I didn't have green onion, so I'm using what I have. So I'm just going to use, and I took the liberty of chopping the onion, just regular yellow onion. And then you could just spread it around however you like. Looks good, doesn't it? A cute little Mexican bowl or nacho bowl, grande, whatever, Mexican dish, whatever you choose to call it. So let me grab the salsa and the cheese. And again, we're going to be using this Tostitos cheese. I'm going to open that up and let me get the salsa and the cheese, and dinner is done for the weekend. And again, we're going to be using the paste chunky salsa. And you could put it in a dish, but right now, for time's sake, because I don't want this video to be long, we're just spreading it around. Oh, and if you want to use shredded cheese, you can. If you want to use this type of cheese, you can. However you like, whatever you choose, you make this menu or this recipe your own. But I just wanted to show you a quick, fun weekend dish, right? And you just spread it all around like so. Okay, and that is your cheese there. And then we just have the parsley flakes just to make it look pretty. So we're going to put a little parsley there. Just sprinkle just a little bit, you know, to make it look fancy. Just a little bit, you know. Voila. And we're just using parsley flakes. So this is your weekend dinner. Doesn't that look delicious? And it was quick, fun, and easy to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, comment, let me know what you think if you try it. And if you have a recipe that you'd like to share, comment it below. I'd love to try it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all your support. If you're new to the channel, hey, subscribe, hit that post notification button and choose all so that when I upload, you'll be able to see all the videos when I upload. So again, thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And there will be pictures at the end of the video, okay? And the turkey burgers are out the oven and you'll see them being prepped for the week. So you're all set. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.